I smoked a beef roast the other day and I had a bunch of leftover meat, so I decided to make this. So I add some oil to the pan, onions in the pan, minced garlic in the pan, a whole lot of mushrooms in the pan. My cut up beef in the pan, some beef broth in the pan, tomato paste in the pan, Italian seasoning in the pan, some dried mustard in the pan, paprika goes in the pan, more beef broth for the meat to simmer in the pan, and some sour cream in the pan. I just simmered it until it was all done and ate it over mashed potatoes. Thanks for watching, guys.